Be frugal. Now, why do I say this is the easiest way to financial success? Why is underspending the easiest way to become wealthy? Because nowadays I feel, especially teenagers and people in their 20s, are spending way beyond their means just to build a status, a fake status, to prove others that we are also wealthy or we are also rich. But honestly, they don't even know about money. They don't even know what a stock is. They don't even know what a credit card is, right? And how does it work? Because they're so inclined towards just proving others that we have money and just buying those materialistic things rather than learning about them. Now, the point is, if you overspend, even big empires would be destroyed in a very short span of time. And this is not what I am saying, but what billionaires and top investors also say, and they follow till date. आज भी अगर वॉरेन बफे जी के पास पैसा है, वो आज भी फ्रूगल ही है, वो आज भी कम ही खर्चा करते हैं, बिकॉज आपको एक आदत पड़ जाती है. दैट इज अ माइंड सेट, right? And why is that a mindset? Because they're loving the number game. They don't fall for short-term pleasures. They're focusing on the long-term goal, on the long-term vision, and that's why they're so dedicated, and that's why they're so successful, right? And the average person is not. The average person remains average because उसके पास salary आती बाद में है, वो खर्चा पहले कर देता है, right? He or she overspends, and the problem is not that you're earning less. The problem is you're spending more. अमीर वो नहीं है जो 1 करोड़ रुपए महीना कमा रहा है. अमीर वो है जो 10,000 कमा के भी 1,000 जोड़ रहा है. Right? So you now get the difference. If you want to be wealthy or rich or whatever you call it, you want to be financially successful, then it's not always important that you earn more. What is important is whatever you are earning, the first step is that you start saving some, part of that income. You save a chunk and invest that chunk so that your money grows. Because amount सबकी differ करती हैं. From person to person, account to account, amounts differ करेंगी. हो सकता है आपकी सिचुएशन इतनी अच्छी ना हो, आपने खुद से स्टार्ट किया तो आपने बहुत बेस लेवल से स्टार्ट किया. यू जस्ट रीच 5,000 a month, you just reach 10,000 a month, but there is someone who has started from like a crore rupees, so वो बहुत ऊपर आपको लगेगा है. But honestly, अगर उसके करोड़ रुपए कमाने के बाद भी घर पे कुछ नहीं बच रहा है, it doesn't mean he's well, right? Because he has so much of debt, he has so much of liabilities, he has so much of expenses, so he's not at all wealthy, right? So now you get the point. What is money, or what is actually financial freedom? Savings is income minus expenses, and whatever you save, if you invest it at a decent rate, you become wealthy. It does not get defined by a specific amount. Please understand this. And now, coming back to the point, why do I say underspending is the easiest way? Because there are two ways. Either you increase your income or you spend less, you cut down your expenses. Now, increasing your income is definitely one good option, and everyone wants to do that. But the problem is, it doesn't happen overnight. You need to build a skill to increase that income. अगर आप आज 1 लाख रुपए कमाते हो, कोई आपको 1 लाख रुपए एक सर्विस के लिए देता है या कोई आपके प्रोडक्ट के लिए देता है, वो कल आपको 2 लाख एकदम से नहीं दे देगा सेम प्रोडक्ट या सर्विस के लिए. उसको भी इन रिटर्न वैल्यू चाहिए, उसको बदले में कुछ चाहिए. तो अगर आपका प्रोडक्ट या सर्विस बदली, अच्छी हुई, ग्रो हुई, तब 2 लाख मिल सकता है. बट अदरवाइज वो एक का एक ही मिलेगा, एंड उसको बदलने के लिए टाइम लगेगा. So the point is, even if you're working, you're doing a job, it will take you time to get an increment from your boss. Even if you're doing a business, then also it will take you time to build another product and grow your products. It is not gonna happen overnight. But what can happen overnight is that you can cut down on your expenses, especially the things which you don't really need, your wants, and waste products, that products or services that don't really provide you value. Now, providing value or getting value is also a very subjective thing. You might like one thing, I might dislike that, but the point here is that whenever if you're on that journey and if you've still not accumulated a big corpus, then you should kind of be underspending and not be extremely, that I'll spend it all, I really want to enjoy. Definitely do enjoy, but enjoy in your, within your means and within your budgets.